Hey Rob, this is Scott Walker with Impact Latent SEO. I'm getting you this video back to kind of do a website audit and show you how you can grow your business with your online presence using your website, GBP, and Google Ads. So yeah, really like your website. Looks like that's you right there. Love the logo and yeah. But for starters, what I would recommend for your website is to add more content. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords like windshield replacement, Baldwin County. Those are the types of buyer intent keywords because they're looking for a location and a service. The other thing you could do is if you save your imagery correctly, instead of it saying Rob Chambers, which is you, I'm sure, you could have it say those buyer intent keywords as well, because it's embedded behind the photo and it counts as content. And then this right here is a tool I use called Arrow, so it gives me your analytics and shows me where you're setting. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up while also continuously balanced. You're currently at 10 and 9, which is good balance, but let's keep them moving up. But that's due to your referring pages and domains, which are backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for a lot of keywords, but not a lot of traffic coming to your website. So let's look at some of those keywords. Windshield repair, Fairhope, Alabama. I'm assuming that's close to you. I don't know off the top of my head. Windshield repair, Foley, Alabama. Those are both great buyer intent keywords. Daphne as well. But when it's like near me, your website, you don't want to really be ranking for near me because those are national keywords. So, I'm in Utah, and that could possibly be problematic because it doesn't really turn you into a customer, or me into a customer for you. So these are the types of buyer intent keywords that I'd go after. Obviously, I need to kind of do some research and do a discovery call to see where those locations would be for you. But I just looked up the biggest city in Baldwin County. It said it was Daphne. So I just did windshield replacement, Daphne, Alabama. And this is where I usually start with helping auto glass companies is in Google Ads. And the way I recommend doing that is to group your ad groups thematically. And what that means is like windshield replacement and windshield repair are going to be two different ad groups. Auto glass replacement, auto glass repair are going to be different. And then even windshield replacement and auto glass replacement would be different. The reason for that is you get a good click-through rate by being able to add as much as possible of this keyword into the ad itself. So this just says windshield replacement, or it says replacement, doesn't say windshield. Serving Daphne area. Auto glass, so it's kind of similar, but at the same time it's not the exact same. But that's how you have good click-through rates. And then once on a landing page, you want to click to call right up top. You want to form submit what you do, where you do it. If you run any promotions right there, that'd be great too. And then if you do any other services like window tinting or RV stuff, each landing page should be correlating to that particular keyword. So like windshield replacement should be for automobiles. If you had an RV windshield replacement, then you have an RV being replaced in the background type thing. And to kind of give you an idea of the search volume for your area, I just did Baldwin County. There's 210 search replacements for windshield replacement, another 210 for repair, auto glass repair, windshield repair. So like when you start getting in front of all of these people, that's going to be how you're going to be in front of more people and generate more business for you. And then moving down into the Google Business Profile, it's okay that you're not here right now. There are lots of ways to get here. The ones I'd recommend are to make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. Reviews. I have a cool little cheat on how you could get good reviews. And then making sure your name, address, and phone number are things that are in directories like Yellow Pages and Yelp, because Google's a big popularity contest. By giving your information to as many people as possible, they'll start to trust you more, and not just in your local area, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the Google Business Profile and in the Google Ads, you're capturing about 70% of the traffic there. And then we go into your websites down here. And to kind of give you an example of your top competitor, it looks like BayAutoAlabama.com. looking at their website, there's not a whole lot of content on here either, so by having more content, the better buyer intent keywords, those authoritative backlinks and citations, you could start to outrank these guys. So this is kind of how many searches include like Daphne or Baldwin County. There's not too many searches for those two searches, but like I said, for the keywords, like you still want these ones on your website. But for you guys, it might be just really beneficial just to run Google Ads and get your GPP ranked. So, I mean, we could talk about it, and I'll do my keyword research, but that kind of comes with your discovery call and let you know where you guys are. So, Rob, I hope this was beneficial for you. I'll get this over to you, and if you like what you see, let's do a discovery call, and if not, no harm, no foul, and have a great day.